Hello, beautiful soul. Love is a stirring of emotion. You know, love is a feeling so good. Why did you do this with me, my darling? Why I could not just say that you mean a lot to me. It's only you can see. But things are different now, my baby. You also know it. How stay happy forward in life, wherever you are. Love is emotion, the name of devotion. Love is blind, the fate we write. Love is fire, generate from desire, my dear baby. And love is dream, and love is hope, my baby. Love is passion, and love is fantasy, my dear. Love is pain, but like a rain, my dear. Stay with true, stay with true love. Don't spoil life in love, my dear, sweet baby. But, but don't miss love in your life. I'm not saying you fall in love. I'm saying to feel the love, my dear. First love is important. First love is important, but last love is very important, my dear sweetheart. Because first love, because first love changed the nature, and last love changed the life, my dear.